Hi, my name is Samriddhi. I attended Vayu course for learning air science through stories. I liked it very much as I was able to understand concepts clearly. And I loved all the sessions, but to be specific, I liked the sessions 3 and 6. A third one was about Karna's bow and how it had so many modern technologies in ancient days, and in session 6 about Indrajit and stealth technology. I learned a lot in all these sessions, not just the science, but also stories. I would like to thank Vayu for conducting such an interesting course, and the teachers, Mr. Vignesh sir and Prem Kumar sir. Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. Firstly, I have a message to my beloved Vignesh sir and Prem sir. Thank you. Yes, I would like to say thank you because you have filled my heart with knowledge and you have given me the love of learning. You are the best mentor that I have ever had. You have given me extra time and help that I have needed. You are the teacher that will remain in my heart for years from now. Now coming to my favorite session or story. My favorite session is the last session because it was about Abdul Kalam. Here are a few lines that I have learned about Abdul Kalam. He started at the bottom of the ladder where his parents were not well off. Dr. Kalam had to take responsibility to contribute to his family income by distributing newspapers. But he never lost the sight of getting educated. He worked his entire life and achieved great things like developing atomic bombs, the development of missile Agni and Prithvi, and also becoming the president of India. One more important thing about him is after his retirement he started teaching because that was his passion. So this was my favorite session so far. Not only this session, all the sessions were my favorite. Thank you so much, Vignesh sir and Prem sir.
Hi, I'm Tejaswini from 7th grade. Past 10 days classes, I was really inspired on the second day classes about 7 horses, Surya chariots and its names, and moons of the planets, and our ancestors' vision on the astronomy. I feel very proud about our culture and tradition of our ancestors, and last day class really inspired me about APJ Abdul Kalam sir's life story. Not these two classes, but the 10 days classes boost my interest towards astronomy. And I thank my teachers who taught me for the wonderful class. I'm eager to meet them on my person. And the Vayu Sastra classes was very wonderful. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sirs. I thank you and Vayu Sastra for arranging 10 fantastic sessions with each session full of interesting stories and science in it. Each story had an interesting character and scientist. My favorite session was the story of Daedalus and Icarus. In that story, my favorite thing was Daedalus made 4 giant wings with the help of the feathers of birds and wax. Also, my favorite thing was Daedalus locked the king's son in a labyrinth which had many different ways, and the way was known only by the king and Daedalus. It was also the world's very dangerous and the best labyrinth. I again thank you for putting effort for knowing us more about aeronautics engineering. I would join in level 2 and learn more stories. Thank you, sirs.
Hello everyone, this is Meena and I attended Vayu Shastra online classes during my summer holidays. during my summer holidays because I am very interested in science and aeronautics, and Vayu Shastra helped me learn all those things, many things which I did not know, and some things which I knew. All the classes in the session were very enjoyable and intriguing, and they triggered the creative spark of mine. Um, the session which I enjoyed the most was the last one, which was about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who launched the first Indian space satellite called Rohini, as they taught me. And I enjoyed the last session because I consider Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to be my role model, uh, to um, to reach infinity and beyond. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Srish. I like Vayu Sastra because I like aeronautics. I like things that are new. So I have interest in aeronautics. I joined Vayu Shastra. I liked session 8 because Ramanuja is so intelligent and suffering diseases at the same time, and in the deathbed he wrote so many formulas to find black hole and many other things. Thank you Vayu Shastra for the amazing stories. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Pooja and I am going to share my experience with you of the past 10 days in the Vayu Shastra Aerospace Workshop. It was led by two amazing sirs, Prem sir and Vignesh sir, and I was really inspired by two stories, the story of Ramanuja and the story of Karna. Coming to the Karna story, he was born to Kunti Devi and he was the son of Surya Bhagwan. Also, he was born with a Kavasa Kundala, and even though he used to and he was really kind hearted, and he used to give anything in any situation. And I also learned about the Vijay Dhanase, which was also known as a rocket in those days, and it was really knowledgeable for me. And coming to the Ramanuja story, he was born from a very poor family, and yet did not give up on learning more about math. People used to say that Namagireshwari Devi used to come in his dreams and tell him more and more about theorems and math. And he died at a very young age, at the age of 32, and yet he was on the deathbed. He still wrote two books about math and the theorems which he made on his own. And I found this workshop really interesting and useful. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Siddharth Gupta and I joined Vayu Shastra because I love science and aeronautics and learning new things at the same time. My favorite session was the session about Daedalus because it combines two of my favorite things, aeronautics and Greek mythology. Also, I love the technique that Vayu Shastra has of using mythology and science to keep people on their seats and to make people want more. I love Vayu Shastra and I hope I can join next time.